So I had a question from someone that wanted to know, would looking at sweets raise my blood sugar? Would it trigger insulin response, just looking at sweets or carbs? The answer is no, not in a fasting state. You don't have to worry about looking at carbs, okay? I mean, it might be hard to resist carbs, but now walking through a candy store is not going to make you fat, even though some people will say, wow, I can just look at food and gain a pound, right? You actually have to eat certain things. Now, there's also this concept of consuming stevia or sugar alcohol that is sweet, but it's low in the glycemic index. Will that trigger insulin? The primary trigger of blood sugars is glucose and those things that turn into glucose, like potato, rice, bread, cereal, crackers, biscuits, waffles, pancakes. So that's the primary trigger. There's other triggers too. Stress releases cortisol, which then eventually will mobilize sugar from the protein that's converted into the sugar and spike your blood sugar that way. You also have something called GIP. This is a hormone-like compound, and that's released in the small intestine. So anything you eat has the potential to trigger insulin just for the fact that you ate it. Now, if it's more carbohydrate, it's going to trigger it more. If it's less carbohydrate and more fat, it'll trigger it less. But it is true that protein also triggers some insulin, especially if it's low fat or lean protein, as in whey protein powder, which basically has the highest glycemic index of all the proteins. If you have a fatty piece of protein, it will not trigger insulin as much. And also if you have too much protein, that will trigger insulin. Now the thing about protein is that protein also triggers the opposing hormone to insulin called glucagon. So you have this buffering effect and you don't see the damage you would if it only triggered insulin. Another question that people want to know is, Dr. Berg, you described this problem of most people having high insulin. If that's true, then why don't we all have hypoglycemia? Because insulin pushes the blood sugar down. Well, a lot of people do have hypoglycemia, but what really happens is you have other hormones like cortisol and certain hormones in the liver that counter the hypoglycemic reaction. So when the blood sugars go lower than they should, these hormones counter that and keep the blood sugars from going too low. It's only when these two hormones become weakened, so your adrenals are getting burnt out or your liver is getting damaged in some way, that you lose that counter effect. Then you start seeing more and more hypoglycemic reactions. But what's going to happen is the chronic elevation of insulin is going to lead to insulin resistance. I've done a lot of videos on this, but you can pretty much look at it like this. You have a cell that's resisting insulin. So insulin has a lot to do with absorbing fuel, putting glucose into the cell, also absorbing nutrients. So you have this cell that's basically starving, yet you have so much excess fuel that's in a storage form as fat around your body, but it's unavailable to you. So some of the common symptoms for insulin resistance are you can't go a long period of time without the need of eating, okay? So like 2 or 3 hours, you need a snack. The need for snacks are very great when you have insulin resistance, especially at night and definitely in the afternoons. Okay, you're not satisfied when you eat. So right at the end of the meal, regardless of how much you ate, you still feel like you need a little something sweet. Okay, why? Because the cells are starving for nutrition and fuel. Also, your cravings are high. Okay, so we have a hunger problem, we have cravings, we're not satisfied. All that means is you have insulin resistance. It's very, very, very simple to fix this. I put a link down below for those of you that are new. Check it out, and thanks for watching. So if you want to get notified with all my content, click the notification bell next to subscribed.